30 sneaky foods filled with sugar. It doesn't have to be ice cream to contain as much sugar as dessert. Flavored Greek yogurt. Greek yogurts can be lower in sugar thanks to the straining process, but that's not a given. Most of them have upwards of 17 grams of sugar total. Some of that is naturally occurring lactose from the milk. Cold cereal. Some popular cereals pack as much as 20 grams of sugar in a measly 3/4 cup serving. The sugar content can vary widely between brand, so always read the label to see exactly how much you're getting. Applesauce. Standard applesauce adds loads of sugar to sweeten it up. A small container might have 22 grams. Discover how to find hidden sugar traps in your daily diet, as well as learn all about the effects sugar has on our health, plus how to easily cut back with lots of low sugar and no sugar options. No sugar added foods. It's a bogus claim. Many products will use fruit juice from concentrate to sweeten, but that's still a form of added sugar. Crackers. The sweet stuff even finds its way into savory items. When you buy a box, make sure there are less than 4 grams of sugar per serving. Smoothies. Though they're made with fruit, smoothies can also contain fruit juice, sherbet, ice cream, or flavored syrups. Even the fruit and veggie-only ones can include up to 60 grams of sugar per serving. You're better off biting into a piece of the real thing. Alcohol mixers. These are similar to smoothies, imagine that, considering there can be 50 to 60 grams of sugar in a 12-ounce margarita. You may even reach for more than one when you're out to dinner. A single glass of wine or a seltzer plus a shot of alcohol is a better option. Fruit snacks. They might have fruit in their name, yet they're anything but. One package can have 25 grams of sugar or more. Count these as candy, not product. Nut butter. Read the ingredients. Does yours say cane sugar, honey, or even corn syrup? Opt for natural brands made only with nuts. Instant oatmeal. Instant packets are convenient, but one serving of flavored oats may have 4 teaspoons of sugar, probably way more than you'd add on your own. Buy unsweetened kinds and add fruit and spices for a flavor boost. Jam. You know that jams and jelly taste sweet, but they can also get you because they look like fruit. Add a hit of sweetness to toast by topping it with real berries. Granola bars. The word granola still gets a health halo, but since so many are made with added sugar and chocolate, it's basically dessert. Dried fruit. As if nature's candy wasn't sweet enough, sometimes dried fruit contains added sugar. Coffee drinks. Flavored versions pack upwards of 12 grams of added sugar in 12 ounces, half of what the American Heart Association recommends you have in an entire day, and that's just your morning cup. Skip the sweetener and use cinnamon and nutmeg to flavor instead. Sauces. Barbecue, ketchup, and teriyaki sauce are just a few examples where the sweet stuff slyly hides. One look at the ingredients and you might find sugar, honey, agave, or corn syrup in the mix. Non-dairy milk. Soy, almond, rice, or cashew milks can contain 10 grams of sugar. Bread. There may be as much as 6 grams of sugar per slice. Bottled flavored water. Just because the labels have pictures of coconuts or watermelons doesn't mean they're made with fruit. 1 cup might have as much as 3 teaspoons of sugar. Gummy vitamins. Getting your daily dose of nutrients is far tastier in gummy form, and that's probably because of all their sugar. In fact, they may as well be gummy bears. Scan the label to find out where yours stand. Bottled tea. It's one of the healthiest drinks in the world, as long as you don't add copious amounts of sugar to mask bitterness. With some topping 30 grams per serving. Juice. Juice itself is still a concentrated source of sugar. Salad dressing. Would you like some sugar with your greens? Some bottled dressings start at 20 grams of sugar for a 1-ounce serving.